The giant octopus fishing industry in Japan is a vital part of the country's fishing sector, closely intertwined with its rich and diverse culinary culture. Below are some key highlights about Japan's giant octopus fishing industry. In Japan, the giant octopus, known as keiko, is a common ingredient in traditional dishes such as takoyaki, octopus-filled savory balls, sashimi, sushi, and stews. Japan not only consumes octopus domestically, but also exports it internationally, contributing significantly to the fishing industry's revenue. Japanese fishermen typically use traps, pots, or nets to catch octopus, employing sustainable methods that minimize harm to marine environments. Modern technology equips fishing vessels with GPS and sonar systems, enabling more efficient tracking of octopus schools and increasing catch yields. Giant octopuses live in deep waters, are large in size, and have excellent camouflage abilities to hunt prey or evade predators. They are highly nutritious, rich in protein, and low in fat, making them a popular choice for healthy diets. Due to overfishing and growing competition, the pressure on octopus resources is increasing. The Japanese government and fishing organizations have implemented protective measures, including fishing season restrictions and designated no-fishing zones, to conserve this marine species. Events like octopus festivals and takoyaki fairs attract large numbers of domestic and international tourists, offering opportunities to boost local culture and economies. Japan's giant octopus fishing industry not only provides economic benefits, but also reflects a blend of tradition and modernity within Japanese culture. The sector continuously improves through the application of science and technology. Japanese researchers study octopus behavior, habitats, and reproductive cycles to develop sustainable fishing methods. With rising demand and declining natural stocks, the industry is investing in octopus aquaculture technology to reduce pressure on wild populations. Hokkaido, with its cold waters ideal for giant octopus development, is famous for octopus with tender sweet meat, often used in takoyaki. Meanwhile, the Okinawa Islands, with their tropical waters, serve as a major fishing ground, supplying both domestic and export markets. Besides fresh consumption, Japan has developed many processed octopus products, such as dried octopus commonly grilled or used as seasoning. Frozen octopus is used for export or supplied to high-end restaurants. Canned products like stewed or seasoned octopus offer convenient options for consumers. In line with sustainability trends, Japan is moving toward environmentally friendly development methods to protect marine ecosystems. The development of artificial octopus farming is expected to become a leading trend to meet rising consumption demands. Building internationally recognized, high-quality Japanese octopus brands is a key goal, helping to enhance the industry's economic value. Japan's giant octopus fishing industry not only holds economic significance, but also embodies creativity and balance between development and natural resource conservation, reflecting the Japanese respect for marine resources and the environment. In Japanese waters, commercial octopus fishing typically combines traditional and modern methods to ensure economic benefits while complying with regulations protecting fishery resources. Common techniques include octopus traps, often made from ceramic, plastic, or metal, shaped like jars or boxes, placed on the seafloor where octopuses tend to hide. Octopuses are attracted to the safe shelter and enter the traps. After a few days or some time, fishermen haul the traps up to collect the catch. This method is environmentally friendly, causes no harm to other species, uses reusable traps, and relies heavily on choosing the right locations and timing. Fishing with rods or lines baited with live or artificial lures is another method to attract octopus. When the octopus bites, fishermen pull it up by hand or with machinery. This approach offers high selectivity, low environmental impact, and yields high-quality octopus. However, it is less efficient than trawling nets and requires skilled, experienced fishermen. Diving to catch octopus involves fishermen using diving gear to locate octopuses hiding in caves or coral reefs, then capturing them by hand or with small nets. This environmentally friendly method does not harm surrounding ecosystems and ensures live, high-quality octopus are caught. However, it is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and more suitable for small-scale or coastal fishing. The use of modern equipment, such as sonar and GPS, helps identify areas with high octopus populations. Fishing vessels are equipped with automated systems that assist in collecting and preserving octopuses on board, minimizing quality loss. Regarding regulations and conservation, the Japanese government strictly controls octopus harvesting by imposing seasonal restrictions to ensure the animals have time to reproduce and naturally replenish. No fishing zones are established to protect critical octopus habitats, and catch quotas are enforced to prevent overfishing and sustain long-term resource availability. These measures not only meet market demand, but also safeguard marine resources, aligning with Japan's tradition of sustainable fishing practices. Octopuses are typically caught during the summer and fall seasons when they are more active and spawning. They tend to hide near coral reefs, seagrass beds, or muddy seabeds where abundant food sources like crabs and small fish are found. Octopuses thrive in moderately warm waters, but can also adapt to colder environments, such as the seas around Hokkaido. Japan's octopus fishing vessels are increasingly equipped with advanced technology, such as sonar, to detect marine life on the ocean floor. Modern refrigeration systems on board help maintain the freshness of the catch immediately after harvesting, which is especially important for exports. Domestic demand for octopus is very high, as it is a key ingredient in many traditional dishes. Exports to major markets like South Korea, Spain, and Mediterranean countries also shape the fishing industry's operations. Due to the impact of overfishing on natural octopus populations, Japan is focusing on developing aquaculture systems that simulate natural environments to encourage growth and reproduction, providing diets primarily consisting of crabs and small fish. Challenges include managing cannibalistic behavior and competition among individuals, as well as the high costs of operating such systems and sourcing feed. The Japanese government encourages the release of juvenile octopuses back into the sea to maintain wild populations and support scientific research aimed at restoring habitats and mitigating the effects of climate change. Artificial intelligence, AI, is employed to analyze octopus population data to optimize fishing and farming activities. Underwater drones, ROVs, are used to monitor fishing and conservation areas. Value-added processed products, such as canned octopus, octopus snacks, and ready-to-eat meals, are developed to meet international demand and build the Japanese octopus brand as a symbol of premium quality, akin to sushi or sake. Japan also shares expertise and technology with other countries to promote sustainable global octopus fisheries and collaborates on marine ecosystem research to protect key species. Japan's commercial octopus industry not only plays a vital role in the economy and cuisine, but also serves as a model balancing industrial development with natural environmental protection. The industrial steaming of octopus is carried out in factories to ensure products meet high-quality standards, food safety requirements, and retain their natural flavor. The process follows standard steps. Fresh or frozen octopus is sourced from fishing vessels or aquaculture farms and inspected to remove damaged or undersized individuals. The octopus is soaked in clean water or a mild saline solution to remove sand, mud, and impurities. Then the tentacles and body are washed thoroughly with high-pressure water jets. Internal organs are removed. Some factories require the removal of ink sacs and internal organs prior to processing, followed by cutting according to product specifications. The octopus is sorted by size, weight, and intended use. It is steamed using industrial steamers or steam-in-bag systems. Steaming time and temperature are precisely controlled, usually between 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for 10 to 20 minutes, ensuring even cooking and preserving the natural color, which is typically pink on the tentacles. After steaming, the octopus is immediately cooled with ice water to prevent bacterial growth and maintain freshness. Modern air chilling methods reduce the risk of waterborne contamination. Finally, Comprehensive cooperation among countries, non-governmental organizations, and fishing communities is key to ensuring that red crab resources are harvested responsibly and sustainably. When all these factors come together, the red crab fishery can not only drive economic growth, but also protect the marine environment, providing lasting benefits for future generations. Another important factor in maintaining the sustainable development of the red crab industry is strengthening the involvement and oversight of community organizations and local residents. Coastal communities, where fishermen live, play a vital role in protecting marine resources because they are directly engaged in managing these resources. Creating forums and networks that bring together fishermen, scientists, and regulators will help build effective monitoring systems, facilitate the sharing of experiences, and promote sustainable fishing practices. Community monitoring projects allow fishermen to participate in inspecting and tracking fishing activities in their areas, promoting transparency and reducing illegal fishing. Additionally, financial incentives and support are crucial for encouraging sustainable red crab fisheries. Local and international organizations can offer low-interest loans or technical assistance to help fishermen invest in environmentally friendly equipment and fishing methods. Finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.